Hey everyone, I'm just going to show you how you can install the Elastic Agent on Linux box. So first of all, you need to download the Elastic Agent. You can download from the Elastic website, or you can just download it from your security onion. So I have got this downloaded over here. What I'm going to do that's a zip, so I'm just going to extract it over here. So once that been extracted, it's doing that right now. You can see the new directory has been created over here, and then what we need to do there, we need to basically browse to there. So it's on the desktop, and then file name is elastic, and hit enter. And over here there is another folder elastic. You just go in there, and over here you can see all the files over here. It's pretty easy. You just download, extract it, browse there, and then you have this command that you need to run it. So you go to token, you go to URL, and that you need to run that. Make sure you add an insecure flag at the end, because if you don't do that, it will go into SSL inspection and it will fail eventually. So just copy that command, put it over here, and then paste it. Hit yes. It's gonna install agent as a service that we want. Click on yes and hit Y. It is going to copy that file now. Okay, cool. So over here you can see that it clearly says the installation has been successfully installed.